Hi, in this video we'll talk about how to manage your complete accounting along with the POS system that has been provided by Cashofy. We have already talked in the overview video as to how to create orders, how to create vendor bills. Now in terms of accounting, there are certain aspects that needs to be taken care of. Number one is for each and every product, you have to define what is the income account and the expense account. So by default this should be the sales account, but if the accountant wants to choose a different account, he can do so. Number two, for the purchases as well, the expense account is used. So you can see the purchase expense account is used. Also, whenever you pass transactions for any particular sale done in the POS system, automatically journal entries are created in the accounting system, which is integrated very closely with the POS system. So I'll show you how. For example, if we set up a new session, we set up the opening cash and then we do some sales. So let's assume that I sold these 3 products, received the amount in cash, and then I got back to the main screen. So the moment I close the session, so till now no journal entry has been passed, no accounting has been done for these set of entries. But once the supervisor or the accountant feels that okay, he has validated the closing balances and he has validated the complete cash in hand, then he can close the entries. Now the moment you validate and post the entries, that is when the journal entries are passed in the accounting system. So this whole dashboard is your POS system. To go to your accounting system, you can click on accounting. You can go to the accountants tab. You can see the journal entries here. So let's say these were the complete journal entries that have been passed from your POS system, and this is the recent entry that we just passed for the cash balances and everything. So all the journals and journal entries are automatically created by the system and need not be taken as a worry by the accountant. There are multiple other aspects as well. So for example, if you want to create an invoice, basically sales to customers within the state or outside the state, they can be created from the accounting dashboard itself. So you can go to customer invoices and create invoice from here. If there are transactions or large orders that have been placed for which you want to track the inventory, then you should create a sales order. And then sell those specific products. Similarly, you have an option to create purchase orders in the system. So let's say I'm buying a cherry, 1000 pieces from a particular supplier named vendor 1. So I can simply create a purchase order for the same. So I can confirm the order. Then once I receive the products, I can say receive products and add the quantity that has been received so far, and then click on validate. So by doing so, this order will be added to my inventory. So all these purchases will be added to my inventory and I can easily keep track for each and every product. If I go to the products, I can see the inventory on hand for cherry. It has gone up. Now I just told you that you can create the invoices, the sales order. You can also create the purchase orders. In the accountants tab, you'll see that there's an option wherein you can manage the inventory as well. You can manage the journal entries. You can create your charts of account. So you can create your new account from here. You can do manual payments, matching and tax adjustments. Then finally, all the reports, including your trial balance, balance sheet, profit and loss statement, everything is created by the system for your reference. So let's say I want to see the profit and loss statement. So I can just choose the statement, click print. I'll get a PDF report of my complete profit and loss so far. So you can see that I got 80 in terms of customer receipt. There was a sales of 49,000. Then there were write-off income, purchases. So everything is reflected in the profit and loss statement. Finally, all the tax filings have been made very easy with the accounting system that we're providing along with the POS. So you can file your GST returns directly from the system. You can file your ITR and TDS returns as well. And there's an HSN SSC finder in case you want to find any or locate any HSN codes. So this is the complete accounting dashboard. If you want to go to the POS dashboard again, so you can click on POS and we'll take you back to the POS dashboard wherein you can start your transactions. So net to summarize, not only does this software help you with your retail transactions or POS transactions, there's a complete accounting that can be managed by the system, and there are numerous features around that which you can explore. Complete accounting can be managed by the system, and it's very friendly, user friendly in terms of the interface and in terms of the features.